How old are you?
I am 25 years old.
Where are you from?
I am from Mexico.
Do you live in a city or a village?
I live in a city.
What is your city famous for?
My city is famous for its beaches.
Do you like your city?
Yes, I like my city because it is beautiful.
What is your favorite place in your city?
My favorite place is the park.
Do you go to the park often?
Yes, I go to the park every weekend.
What do you do in the park?
I walk and relax in the park.
Do you like walking?
Yes, I like walking because it is healthy.
What other exercise do you do?
I also do yoga.
Is yoga easy or hard?
Yoga is easy for me.
What do you do in your free time?
I read books and watch movies.
What kind of books do you like?
I like storybooks.
Do you have a favorite book?
Yes, my favorite book is The Little Prince.
Do you like watching movies?
Yes, I like watching movies.
What is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Toy Story.
Do you watch movies at home or in the cinema?
I watch movies at home.
Do you like popcorn with movies?
Yes, I love popcorn.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
Do you cook at home?
Yes, I cook simple meals at home.
What did you cook yesterday?
I cooked rice and vegetables.
Do you like vegetables?
Yes, I like vegetables because they are healthy.
What is your favorite vegetable?
My favorite vegetable is carrots.
Do you like fruits?
Yes, I like fruits.
What is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is mango.
Do you drink juice?
Yes, I drink orange juice.
Do you like coffee or tea?
I like tea.
Do you drink tea in the morning?
Yes, I drink tea every morning.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
Do you go to work or school?
I go to work.
What is your job?
I am a teacher.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I like teaching.
What do you teach?
I teach English.
Do you like learning new things?
Yes, I like learning new things.
What new skill do you want to learn?
I want to learn how to paint.
Do you like art?
Yes, I like art.
Do you have a favorite artist?
Yes, my favorite artist is Van Gogh.
Do you listen to music?
Yes, I listen to music every day.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music.
Do you play any musical instruments?
No, I don't play any instruments.
Do you like dancing?
Yes, I like dancing.
Do you go to parties?
Yes, I go to parties sometimes.
Do you like birthdays?
Yes, I like birthdays.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is in June.
Do you celebrate your birthday with friends?
Yes, I celebrate with friends and family.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I like traveling.
Where do you want to travel next?
I want to travel to Japan.
Why do you want to go to Japan?
I want to see the cherry blossoms.
Do you like nature?
Yes, I love nature because it is peaceful.
What is your favorite season?
My favorite season is spring.
Why do you like spring?
I like spring because the weather is nice.
Do you like rain?
Yes, I like rain because it makes everything green.
Do you use an umbrella when it rains?
Yes, I use an umbrella when it rains.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Do you wear blue clothes often?
Yes, I wear blue clothes a lot.
Do you like shopping for clothes?
Yes, I like shopping for clothes.
Where do you go shopping?
I go shopping at the mall.
Do you like going to the mall?
Yes, I like going to the mall.
What do you buy at the mall?
I buy clothes and shoes.
Do you like wearing shoes or sandals?
I like wearing shoes.
Do you have a favorite pair of shoes?
Yes, I have a favorite pair of black shoes.
Do you like animals?
Yes, I like animals.
What is your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is a dog.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a pet dog.
What is your dog's name?
My dog's name is Max.
Do you play with your dog?
Yes, I play with my dog every day.
Do you like cats?
Yes, I like cats too.
Do you have a favorite bird?
Yes, my favorite bird is a parrot.
Do you like going to the zoo?
Yes, I like going to the zoo.
What do you see at the zoo?
I see lions, tigers, and elephants.
Do you like elephants?
Yes, I like elephants because they are big and gentle.
Do you like watching TV?
Yes, I like watching TV.
What is your favorite TV show?
My favorite TV show is a cooking show.
Do you like cooking shows?
Yes, I like cooking shows because they teach me new recipes.
Do you like trying new foods?
Yes, I like trying new foods.
What new food did you try recently?
I tried sushi last week.
Did you like sushi?
Yes, I liked sushi.
Do you like spicy food?
No, I don't like spicy food.
Do you drink water every day?
Yes, I drink water every day.
How many glasses of water do you drink?
I drink 8 glasses of water every day.
Do you like juice or soda?
I like juice more than soda.
Do you like ice cream?
Yes, I like ice cream.
What is your favorite flavor of ice cream?
My favorite flavor is chocolate.
Do you like chocolate?
Yes, I love chocolate.
Do you like cakes?
Yes, I like cakes.
Do you bake cakes at home?
No, I don't bake cakes at home.
Do you like parties?
Yes, I like parties.
Do you dance at parties?
Yes, I dance at parties.
Do you like music at parties?
Yes, I like music at parties.
Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play soccer.
Do you watch sports on TV?
Yes, I watch soccer games on TV.
Do you have a favorite soccer team?
Yes, my favorite team is Barcelona.
Do you like swimming?
Yes, I like swimming.
Do you go to the beach often?
Yes, I go to the beach in the summer.
Do you like the sun?
Yes, I like the sun.
Do you wear sunglasses?
Yes, I wear sunglasses when it's sunny.
Do you like taking photos?
Yes, I like taking photos.
Do you have a camera?
Yes, I have a small camera.
What do you like to take photos of?
I like to take photos of nature and my friends.
Do you like sharing your photos with friends?
Yes, I like sharing my photos with friends.
Do you use social media?
Yes, I use Instagram and Facebook.
Do you post pictures on social media?
Yes, I post pictures of my travels and food.
Do you like texting your friends?
Yes, I like texting my friends.
Do you make video calls?
Yes, I make video calls with my family.
Do you like technology?
Yes, I like technology because it makes life easier.
Do you have a smartphone?
Yes, I have a smartphone.
What do you use your smartphone for?
I use it for calling, texting, and taking photos.
Do you like playing games on your phone?
Yes, I like playing puzzle games.
Do you like reading news on your phone?
Yes, I read news about the world.
Do you like learning new things online?
Yes, I like learning new things online.
Do you watch YouTube videos?
Yes, I watch YouTube videos about cooking and travel.
Do you have a favorite YouTuber?
Yes, my favorite YouTuber is a travel vlogger.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I like traveling to new places.
Where do you want to travel next?
I want to travel to Italy.
Why do you want to go to Italy?
I want to see the Colosseum and eat pizza.
Do you like history?
Yes, I like learning about history.
Do you visit museums?
Yes, I visit museums when I travel.
Do you like art museums?
Yes, I like art museums.
Do you like painting or drawing?
No, I don't paint or draw, but I like looking at art.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, I like reading books.
Do you have a favorite author?
Yes, my favorite author is J.K. Rowling.
Do you like Harry Potter books?
Yes, I love Harry Potter books.
Do you like watching movies based on books?
Yes, I like watching movie adaptations.
Do you like going to the cinema?
Yes, I like going to the cinema.
Do you eat popcorn at the cinema?
Yes, I always eat popcorn at the cinema.
Do you like action movies or comedy movies?
I like comedy movies because they make me laugh.
Do you like watching movies at home?
Yes, I like watching movies at home.
Do you have a favorite actor?
Yes, my favorite actor is Tom Hanks.
Do you like watching TV shows?
Yes, I like watching TV shows.
What is your favorite TV show?
My favorite TV show is Friends.
Do you like funny TV shows?
Yes, I like funny TV shows.
Do you like learning new languages?
Yes, I like learning new languages.
What languages do you speak?
I speak English and Spanish.
Do you want to learn another language?
Yes, I want to learn French.
Why do you want to learn French?
I want to learn French because it sounds beautiful.
Do you like studying?
Yes, I like studying new things.
Do you have a favorite subject?
Yes, my favorite subject is history.
Do you like math?
No, I don't like math because it's difficult.
Do you like science?
Yes, I like science because it's interesting.
Do you like learning about space?
Yes, I like learning about space and planets.
Do you like stars?
Yes, I like looking at stars at night.
Do you like camping?
Yes, I like camping in the mountains.
Do you like sleeping in a tent?
Yes, I like sleeping in a tent.
Do you like hiking?
Yes, I like hiking in nature.
Do you like taking photos of nature?
Yes, I like taking photos of mountains and trees.
Do you like the ocean?
Yes, I like the ocean because it's peaceful.
Do you like swimming in the ocean?
Yes, I like swimming in the ocean.
Do you like boats?
Yes, I like small boats.
Do you like fishing?
No, I don't like fishing.